Before we get into today's video, I just want to apologize in advance for the audio on the video. It's not really the best because there's a lot of music and stuff like that in the background. However, I hope you guys still enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. What's good, and welcome back to another video. Today we are at Driven Toronto, which is kind of like a Tokyo Drift style type of meet inside of a parking lot, and it's going to be really cool because a lot of people are there. Some YouTubers are there as well, so we're going to check it out today. Right off the bat, we got a beautiful Type R. Oh my gosh, spoon parts and everything. This interior is so clean. I've never seen an authentic Type R in real life, and I'm fangirling right now. Just so you know, it's not cap. This is a real authentic Type R, man. Love to see it.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
It's crazy to think that these cars right here are all for sale. Beautiful Liberty Walk Supra, a Huracan, and an LC 500. This thing makes 600 horsepower. I've never seen a Liberty Walk Supra in real life before, but she's wide, man. She's so wide. The Street Hunter looks better though, but this is so nice. And of course, we have the classic R34 GTR, man. This is the closest I've ever been to one. Wow. This Evo, man. Center, exit, exhaust, and look how far back they sit. Fully stripped. They sit so far back. Oh my gosh. This arrow. Check this thing out, man. Holy smokes. This wing is gigantic. With the green TEs, gigantic turbo. Holy. This beautiful Sylvia, man. It passes the exhaust test. Holy. A whole bunch more Supras, and this one's a Street Hunter one. Full Street Hunter kit. My favorite kit, of course. I could be biased, but with the carbon, beautiful, man. Another Supra, clean R32 as well, with the Japanese plate. Nice. A91 Supra on BBS's with the matching caps. Oh, I'm a huge fan. And of course, my favorite M3. Oh my gosh. The JDM boys already got to the C8, put some TEs on it. It looks good though, I like it. We're finally outside where we have good lighting to vlog, but I'm looking at a beautiful Evo Final Edition. These things are super expensive, and it looks so clean, of course. Oh my gosh. She's a little rough, but hey, still a beautiful RX-7, man. With the carbon and everything. This E30. Fitment is crazy. Fitment is absolutely crazy on this thing. Seeing Robbie's beautiful Civic in real life, man. I almost bought this thing before he got it. That turbo looks so big in person. Clean build, man. I love it. And the strip Jenny, man. Really love the D&D parts on this. So clean. And he's got the new angle kit on this. Really cool to see. So right now I'm just giving out some Hot Wheels to people, and it's so hard to vlog, man. It's so noisy. But this meet is so sick. Everyone's out. Really fun day. Super clean. So many NSXs here today. This one's a lot more crazy. I'm surprised all this fits in here. With the yellow seats too, I've never seen that. So many NSXs out here today. Peep this thing. Wow. Look how close the turbo is. That clearance is insane, man. Really nice build. Love the color as well. Wow. The whole retrofitted interior as well. Like, this thing is a full from the ground up build. Love to see it. Wireless charging pad too. No, I love this thing. This S2000 is so cool. Sequential gearbox, as you can see here. It's got the big turbo with the hood dump. Such a clean bay for a track car, man. Wow. Out of all these S2000s, we got a right-hand drive one too. Never seen one before. Really cool. Slammed on OZs as well. I need one of these, man. Check this out, man. Fully slammed E30 on some crazy wheels with ITBs. So clean. I love the color as well. And the air setup on the back. Perfect build, man. Perfect. Bro, look at this, man. Recaro baby seat. Recaro baby seat. I've never seen that. That's so sick, though. We even got a beautiful Evo 9 wagon, bro. And it's manual. These things are so rare. Only in Japan. It's so cool to see one of these out here, man. Insane. Alright, we made it back home. Thank you so much for watching the video. I know it's kind of hard to film at meets like that. It's very noisy. Lots of music, stuff like that. But once again, thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't already, subscribe down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.